Born by the fjord where the storm winds cry, Håkon of Lade, Sigurd's pride. He took the helm when Harald fell, a lord who bound the north as well. From Trondheim his banner spread, a jarl where every king had bled. Denmark's Bluetooth sealed the tie, steel for rule beneath one sky. He was the keeper of the flame, when crosses rose he kept the name. No crown, no saint, yet kings obey. The Jarl of Trondheim never swayed. He ruled the coast with trade and sword, from Hålogaland to Bergen's fjord. Silver from the east he earned, while Christian halls in smoke were burned. He let the Saxon priest proclaim, but Odin's shrine still bore his name. Faith and fear on equal throne, his will of iron stood alone. He was the keeper of the flame, when crosses rose he kept the name. No crown, no saint, yet kings obeyed. The Jarl of Trondheim never swayed. At Lade's hall he feasted long, the scowl still sang his northern song. He called the thing and judged the land, with silver voice and blood-stained hand. Yet whispers spread through Norway's bays, the tyranny had turned his ways. Across the sea came word of fate, Olav's ships approached the gate. He was the keeper of the flame, when crosses rose he kept the name. No crown, no saint, yet kings obeyed. The Jarl of Trondheim never swayed. Håkon Sigurdsson, called Håkon the Mighty, ruled Norway from circa 961 to 995. He was the son of Sigurd Lodvesson of Lade and ally of King Harald Bluetooth of Denmark. After King Harald Greycloak was slain, Håkon governed Norway under Danish authority. He strengthened the fleet, imposed law courts and tribute over the jarldoms. He resisted Christian conversion by destroying churches and restoring temples to Thor and Odin. His power peaked around 985, but his cruelty and taking of hostages bred hatred. In 995, Olav Tryggvason returned from England with a fleet. At the Battle of Hjörungavåg, Håkon's forces fought but fractured. He fled and was betrayed at Rum by his slave Kark, who killed him seeking Olav's mercy. Olav then brought baptism to Norway, ending the age of the old faith. The gods fell silent on the strand, the cross took root across the land. Yet in the sagas carved in pine, his shadow guards the northern line. From ashen oath his tale remains, the sea still whispers Håkon's name. He was the keeper of the flame, when crosses rose he kept the name. No crown, no saint, yet kings obeyed. The Jarl of Trondheim never swayed. In mist and legend he abides, where thunder over Trondheim rides. In mist,